Got some fun projects to work on this weekend. First up is this Primaris Lieutenant I got off of eBay. I didn't realize that it came already primed with Sandry Dust and that it had a custom chapter logo on it. No idea what I'm going to do with it. Let me know what you think I should do with it. Following that up, we have 2 Marines primed with 2 types of Tamiya primer. I'm going to hit them up with Tamiya Flat Yellow, so it's an all Tamiya Marine. Following that up is my redo of Lieutenant Amolius, one of my first minis. Stripped him down, tried him up again in new Monument paints. Looking fantastic. Just about done with the whole model, just got to do some detailing on the Power Sword. I'm going to highlight that with White Star by Duncan Rhodes 2 Thin Coats paint. And to round out the effectiveness of my Stern Guard veteran squad, I got a Sergeant with a Power Fist. I gave him the Sanguinary Guard Power Fist, and I'm really happy with how it's coming out. Hoping to use him tabletop real soon.